everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we got a little unboxing to do. In our days of working from home, I'm trying to find things that will help me out to be more productive and not break the bank. And I'm doing my best at that. But today I have a desk pad, and I've got a small one here that won't lose that memory card. I've got a small one here, but it's not big enough for my big keyboard and mouse and everything. And I've got an IKEA Carlby countertop that I don't want to destroy with a cup of coffee. I don't want to have to take it down and sand it and re-oil it and everything. So I've got a big desk pad that I'm going to be able to put on my keyboard and mouse, and if I want to put my coffee cup on it, I can. It says it's the bestseller or Amazon, I can't remember what it called it now. It was like Amazon's bestseller or whatever for that price point. Because you can get these things anywhere from $10 to $1,000, so it's kind of crazy. But this one was $16, $17, I think. And it's supposed to be a good one, so is it a good one? Let's find out. So we'll bring the camera right down here on the desk. Let me move all my stuff out of the way. I swear I'm gonna lose that memory card. Okay. And I'll use this one over on the other work table. Over there. You got the trusty old Gerber knife. Mr. Ryan Burnette, you'll recognize that. Knife is so sharp it ain't even funny. All right, get rid of the Amazon box. Let's see what we got here. YSAGi. I hope it's not YSAGi. Multifunctional desk pad. Yeah, it was made in China. Doggone it. Anyway, if this works out, we'll put a link to it in the description. If not, we'll find us a good American made one. We may do it anyway. That's what this job looks like. It's got a warranty card. All right. It's got a 30-day warranty. All right. And you can get this in all different colors. I got it in black to match everything else. It's got the delicious silica gel. Let's move it over here. It comes with a little strap, I guess, if you want to roll it up and take it with you. And I guess that's a faux leather. It kind of has the grain of leather. I'll try to zoom in on the video. Put my knife and everything out of the way. I'll probably put something heavy on it for a little while and get all the roll out of it. It's not super slick. Put my keyboard on it, my mouse. All right. Go ahead and put my coaster on it just for the heck of it. There's where my phone's going to sit. And then we'll see how the... and I do have my Windows laptop here for my work from home deal because I was running software on it that I needed. So I'm using it right now. When my computer boots up back up, we'll see how the mouse performs on it. All right, so I got my computer booted up, and we'll test how the mouse works. I just have a standard M310 Logitech. Fits my hand well, and it works good for what I do here. And I didn't spend the money on a MX Keys or a MX Master 3 because that's ridiculous. Love to have one, but whew, that's a lot of money. All right, so scrolling probably works good too. Let's see. Let's let's go to YouTube. Yep, everything works like it should. Good deal. The dimensions on this pad are 15 5/8 by 31 3/8. 15 5/8 by 31 3/8. So it's a good size. It's got room for everything here. Now you can get them, that are just huge, but I figured that would be the right size for me. So that seems fits right in the center of my monitors and everything. It's a good deal. All right. Well, thank you, Windows. So anyway, this has been the YSAGi desk mat. This is not a paid promotion by anything. I paid for this with my own money. YSAGi. I hope it's not saggy. But anyway, it feels pretty good and everything. So there'll be a description and everything in the bottom. We're sitting right now 213 subscribers. So we'd love to have you on board. So hit that little subscribe button down there and hit the bell to be notified when I put a video out. Been neat, getting a lot of views, getting a lot of comments too. So if you got any comments, let me know. If y'all have anything on your desk from your work from home situation that you like and you'd like to share them with me. I'd like to know. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a great weekend. I hope everybody's doing well, and I think that's about it. So until the next video, thanks for watching.